Hi guys, welcome back. So we are looking at the 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and the passenger outside latch is broken, as you can see right there. So this video is gonna be I'm gonna show you how to replace this outside door handle right here. So there are only two reasons why we replacing this one. One reason is broken, as you can see right there. It's completely broken. It's neither the icing outside weather, so the weather is kind of snowy and have some raining, then eventually this ain't gonna be freeze and customer is pulling too hard, or it just eventually it's gonna break. So that is the one reason. So the reason number two is you cannot open the door from outside. So this is the reason. So there are only two reasons for replacing this one. So this one is pretty simple, and you can do this at home. If you never do this kind of work, all you need is the screwdriver, the Phillips, or you have a 10 millimeter socket and a ratcheting wrench, and you're all set. And it's pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It took me maybe 10 minutes so to follow my instruction right here. So without any further talking, and I will show you how to replace this thing, outside door handle. Alright, sit back and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, let's begin figuring this thing out here. So if you can see that little triangle on your left side, you have to remove that in order to put your new handle on. So how do you do that? So first you have to unlock the door and roll down the window, and as you can see that little grommet right there. All you have to do is you need a flat screwdriver. Just remove that, and you have to be very careful not to screw up the paint job. So there's this Phillips screwdriver, it will do, or you have a 10 millimeter socket and a ratchet, that will work too. So the reason I have no idea how this thing break, so I would assume the customer neither is gonna be pulling too hard because the weather is kind of icy out. So this car is in the coast state, so it's in the northern state. It's really easy to first thing is kind of hard. So that thing you have to unscrew. They keep unscrewing just for no reason. I just feel kind of strange, like loose, but it doesn't come out. So I just pull that thing out, as you can see right there. Just pull that thing completely out. So you can unscrew that for your lifetime, and and it doesn't remove the bolt. So tip for you guys. So if you're unscrewing that bolt right there. Once you feel your don't have any resistance, that's just good enough for just pull that little triangle. That's a stopper from on the rear. That's all you have to do, just pull it out. Once you feel less resistant, then it should come out easily. So I have to say now this one is the most simple one. One is the most easiest one I have done in my career. So good job, Hyundai. So they did a fantastic job installing and removing this design right here. It's so simple. As you can see the little latch right there, it looks like a reverse C letter. So all you have to do is just push forward from line up and push forward, then it's automatically latch up to that C lever right there, as I pointed out. See, as you can see, so push forward, and the stopper, I don't know what you call it, I call it a stopper, so I'll stick with the stopper. Alright, so once that thing is in, you can use your socket too, but doesn't feel right when I doing that, so I don't feel any resistance as the bolt coming tighten. So I switch tactic. I use the screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver. It's really easy, and you can see right there I kind of struggling, and I spin it by hand too. I don't feel any resistance, or that bolt is going in. So go back to my tool cart, get my Phillips screwdriver. As you can see right there, spinning, then I move the stopper around, then I finally get that thing tight. So once you have that thing tightened down, then you are set to go. Alright, just a thing is a different color. It's not silver, but that will do. Alright guys, so by the way, I also have a master class that will teach you how to maintain your car and prolong your car. So the link is down in the description, and I also have some free stuff for you guys to download too, and the link is also in the description. So the only thing I didn't do, because we can't paint it because it is a different color. So alright guys, so that is it. And if you have any question regarding about your car or your car problem, please don't hesitate to send the email, or you can comment down in the below the comment section. Alright guys, so that is it, and I will see you next time. Luke is out.